What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. You join me today staring at nothing but my kitchen table and a key. This key is for the Vauxhall Corsa C, and today guys I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in it without throwing it on the floor in the process. I thought no need for a fancy intro and no need to see my face either. Keep it a simple, quick and easy video. So if you've got problems with your blipper, perhaps you have to go. The biggest sort of telltale is whether it's broke or it's the battery is. If it's broke, it'll probably just work one day and then just stop working completely no matter what the next. If it's just the battery getting worse and worse, you'll find that you have to get closer and closer to the car until you're sort of sticking it in the window like an idiot in the car park trying to get it to get signal and unlock. Most of the time it is just a new battery needed. If you have a spare key that works, same as this, best thing you can do, well, that I would do before you go out and buy anything or do anything, is just swap the batteries around, see if it makes the opposites work, then you know that the both keys work, it's just batteries. If you've not got a spare key, you have to go and buy a battery and take the hit, and hopefully it is that. Only £1. Some places charge a bit more, but most, like places like your little corner shops, your Nices and things like that, then they're £1 in there. I know for a fact they're £1 in the Nisa shops. So if you've got a Nisa near you, the battery for this key is in there on the shelf, Energizer for £1. So anyway, stop rattling on, let's get on with it. The Vauxhall Corsa C key, a dead simple one, 2 buttons on it, lock and unlock, and it's dead simple to get in to change the batteries to. We've got a new battery here, which is, now you've watched at least a couple minutes of my video, wow, that's bright. I'm trying to show you rather than just tell you as well. It's a CR2032. Can you see that, guys? It's so hard to get that to focus on that. This camera I'm using, well, it's just a phone, it's rubbish. But yeah, it's a CR232. This one's a Panasonic, this one. So it should be a decent battery. So, we'll get that into the key very shortly, but first I need to show you guys how to remove the key, remove the battery from the key, should I say. Dead simple. You can turn the key upside down. I'm going to look for a little port in the back like that. If you get a flat screwdriver around this size, quite a small one, it could be a bit bigger than that, it's a bit small this, and we look in that groove, and you put the flat screwdriver in that groove on the angle of the groove itself. See how it comes at an angle like that, and then I'm going to push down quite firmly and lever the screwdriver forward and nothing happens. But yeah, no, that is how to do it. I'm trying to do it with one hand. I think I've just done it as well. I always do a little test run before I start my videos. There we go. Oh, you missed it a bit. I'm the worst filmer in the world. But yeah, so that sort of movement, and then lever it forward, release it a bit, and then you can literally slide the rest out like that. So this bit is just the key bit. It's literally, there's no electrics in it, it's just the key that you stick in the ignition. So I'm going to put that to one side, out of the way, and this is the main sort of circuity board bit, electronics bit, that goes in the middle with the buttons in it, and it's got the battery inside obviously. It's a Siemens. The originals are all Siemens, so as you're looking to get a new one, if you really want an OEM part, it have to be a Siemens if you want it to be like the original car. Now, on the sides of this bit, we've got a little flap there, a singular, and on the other side is like a hinge, which is the 2 flaps. So don't go for the 2, go for the single big one like that, and imagine opening that and then folding it up like a little hinge. I don't know if I'm going to pull this one off on the camera with one hand, but yeah, you're going to stick your screwdriver in there and sort of flick that tab up, and then, if you bear with me, sorry about doing that, it's a bit sloppy. But yeah, just undo the tab a little bit and it comes open dead easy like so. Splits in half. Be careful with this bit with your circuit boards. Try not to drop it because it can knacker them. Just one big bang can knacker them. And you've got your battery in here, the old one. It's a little Duracell. So, stick the screwdriver in there. Dead easy. Just put the screwdriver in and pops it out. And now it's just literally a case of getting your new battery this way up, so right inside up, and just literally push it into its little hole, and that's that. And then now you can get the, well, this is the lid, the bit with the battery is the lid. You can get this bit, line up your two little hinge bits. I'm so sorry about this awful camera quality, guys. No excuses, it is crap. One Life Cars needs a new camera if anyone wants to donate one. And then we can just pop all that back on like so. And then once you've got that and you're happy with it, maybe give the key a little bit of a clean up too, because they always have loads of grime and crap in them, all the nooks and crannies. Make sure it's still all clicking alright, and then you can get your key bit like that, sort of marry them back together. Dead easy. And that, guys, is how to remove and replace the key fob battery for the Vauxhall Corsa C. I hope you found this little simple one useful. If you're new around here, you like these sort of car tutorials, maybe you've got a request one for your own car, let me know in the comments below. My name's Sam Clark, this is One Life Cars, and this is what I do, teach you guys how to do jobs on your car, from the simplest of changing the battery in your key to maybe changing a clutch, a head gasket, you know, the bigger jobs on the engines. You know, we'll show you everything. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and until next time, peace.